It's AumSum time!
What if roads disappeared? Roads are a primary way to transport people and goods. If roads disappeared, horses may become popular again. Roads help promote tourism. If roads disappeared, tourism will definitely take a back seat. Road construction and maintenance helps boost employment. If roads disappeared, unemployment may skyrocket. What if chocolates disappeared?
Wait a minute. Let me first finish all my chocolates.
Oh, AumSum. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants that can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. If chocolates disappeared, hospitals may get overcrowded. Chocolate contains stimulants like caffeine and theobromine that can improve short-term brain function. If chocolates disappeared, some people may start performing rather poorly. When we eat chocolate, our brain produces endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. If chocolates disappeared, our stress levels may suddenly increase. What if yellow color disappeared?
Oh no! I just bought a brand new yellow car.
Oh, AumSum. Since ages, yellow color has been associated with sunshine. If yellow color disappeared, sun may lose its importance. Yellow is highly visible from a distance at high speeds, making it an important color for traffic signals. If yellow color disappeared, traffic cops may face a very hard time. Yellow color is thought to boost creativity. If yellow color disappeared, creativity may go for a toss. What if we were made of oil?
Nah, AumSum doesn't like oil.
Oh, AumSum. Oil is a major source of energy for powering our vehicles. If we were made of oil, we may now be used to power the vehicles. Oil is a key ingredient in the production of plastic. If we were made of oil, we may now be used to make plastic. Many economists consider it to be the world's most important commodity. If we were made of oil, we would now become very, very important. What if we were made of steel?
No big deal. Steel is nothing in front of me.
Oh, AumSum. If we were made of steel, as steel is strong and durable, it is used in construction activities. Now, even we may be used in construction activities. Steel is a key material used in manufacturing many things. Now, even we may start manufacturing things. Steel is non-combustible. Now, even we will not catch fire. What if all snakes disappeared?
Oh no! Now who will teach me how to hiss?
Oh, AumSum. Snakes are predators as well as prey. Hence, their presence helps maintain the food web. Without snakes, this food web might fully crumble. The count of snakes' prey species could rise to problematic levels. The population of ticks, which cause Lyme disease, is kept in check by timber rattlesnakes. Now their numbers could rise exponentially. Dispersing of seeds done by snakes would come to a halt. The vanishing of snake venom would be a big shock for the pharmaceutical industry. What if blue color disappeared?
Oh no! Blue is my favorite color.
Oh, AumSum. Studies have shown that blue color can reduce pain and lower one's heart rate. If blue color disappeared, the opposite may now happen. One can create new colors by mixing blue color with other colors, such as purple, green, etc. If blue color disappeared, fashionistas would be one sad lot. Blue is a prominent color in nature that makes up the sky as well as the ocean. If blue color disappeared, tourists would be one sad lot. What if green color disappeared?
Oh no. Will my green shades also disappear?
Oh, AumSum. A study found that living in green areas was linked to a longer life. If green color disappeared, many people may not live for that long now. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which helps plants make their own food. If green color disappeared, even plants may start ordering food online. Our retina needs to adjust its wavelength the least when looking at green color, thus making it pleasant and restful to look at. If green color disappeared, we may no longer remain pleasant. What if we were made of chocolate?
Which type of chocolate? Dark, milky, or white?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we were made of chocolate, chocolate lovers may keep on pulling us from all sides. Secondly, if we were made of chocolate, flies and insects may never leave us alone. Lastly, if we were made of chocolate, we may not show much interest in other tasty dishes. What if we converted into a pack of cards?
Cool. AumSum loves playing cards.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we converted into a pack of cards, a sudden gust of wind and we may get completely blown away. Secondly, if we converted into a pack of cards, we may undergo wear and tear pretty quickly. Lastly, if we converted into a pack of cards, a big jump and all our cards may completely fall away. What if we converted into a couch?
No need. AumSum has the best couch.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we converted into a couch, we may now have to carry our entire family. Secondly, if we converted into a couch, unfortunately, kids may keep on jumping on us. Lastly, if we converted into a couch, in the office, people may start using us to keep their files. What if we were made of wind?
Wind is nothing in front of AumSum.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we were made of wind, everything around us may keep on floating. Secondly, if we were made of wind, our kitchen may convert into a complete mess. Lastly, if we were made of wind, there will be no need for us to use a car anymore.